I'm Bo Camoso, Customer Liaison at Keystone RV. Today, we are going to be looking at RV style refrigerators, how to load them, and some tips on day-to-day usage. One of the first things we need to understand is an RV refrigerator works differently than a residential refrigerator. An RV refrigerator works by absorption, which means it heats a liquid refrigerant that evaporates in a low partial pressure environment, thus extracting heat from its surroundings. A residential refrigerator works off a compressor that constricts the refrigerant vapor. Therefore, most RV refrigerators recommend 8 to 12 hours of runtime to reach operating temperatures, when a residential refrigerator can reach operating temperatures in approximately 4 to 6 hours. Temperatures between 40 to 36 are normal for the refrigerator compartment, and between 0 and -10 in the freezer. Most RV style refrigerators have different settings for temperature. This way, a customer can find a desired temperature. Look at it this way. A RV refrigerator and freezer are designed to keep items cold, not cool them down. Any leftovers should be left to cool down to room temperature before being loaded also. Notice that almost everything is packed around the back vents. This will drastically affect the cooling process, as the vents or fins only function properly if there is space for air to flow. It is also important to leave space between items so the air can circulate thoroughly. If everything is packed tightly together in the middle of the refrigerator, the cold air will circulate around the outside items, and the inside items will not stay at the desired temperature. Keep in mind, warm air rises, so the coldest area of the refrigerator will be the bottom. This is why some customers will purchase a battery-operated refrigerator fan and place it on the bottom shelf. This is a common thing we seem to do at home. We stand in front of the refrigerator with the door open, deciding what we want. Because the RV style refrigerator takes longer to reach the desired temperature, it only makes sense that if you let the cold out, it will take longer to get back to the desired temperature. So it's important to know before opening the door what you're going in for. One helpful hint is, if during the day you'll be consuming beverages, have a cooler with some ice. Set a few beverages in that cooler, and this will help limit the times the door opens and keeps the cold where it belongs, inside the refrigerator. Once the camping trip is over, make sure the refrigerator is shut down and has reached room temperature before putting your RV back into storage. There may be some moisture inside one or both compartments. Make sure to dry these out and wipe down both compartments, fridge and freezer. Letting water sit can cause mold. Also, never store the unit with the doors fully closed. Many refrigerators have handle catches to keep the doors partially open when in storage. If they do not have this option, you can hang a clean, dry towel over each door so they will not shut all the way. Remember before moving the unit to remove the towels and latch the doors shut to avoid damaging the doors. Thank you for watching, and remember, we are always here to help.